I believe we left off rings. So let's do some operations. And execute on that. Okay, now let's see. What operators are there? Well, there's addition. So we have 5 plus 3. We have subtraction, which is both additive. 5 minus 3. Multiplicative. And this is we can say 4 times 7. And we have division, which is also multiplicative. And multiplicative operations come before additive operations, and I'll show you that later. For 7 divided by 4. Let's say 5 minus 2 times 2. And this will be 1 because, you know, not 6. And no, you might notice something weird here. Yep, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. 28, that's right. But 1 shouldn't be 1.75. And this is 1. No, this is how many times 4 goes into 7, and 4 only goes into 7. Well, 1.7 times. But since these are integers, the result will be an integer, and it will round down always. To fix this, use the 7D. Remember, putting an F at the end of number means float, and D means double, and L means long integer. And we do this, so it will be 1.75. And now let's do Boolean operators. So Boolean operators. Say Boolean A equals true, Boolean B equals false. And we say, now we're gonna reset some variables. We're gonna reset A to B, and A, and B equal to A or B. And now let's do out the print line, both of them, A, and out the print line, B. Let's see what happens. False and false. So we can reset variables, can change them to whatever we want. And well, B and A, well, if you have something that's true and something that's false, combine them. And both of them needs to be true for the AND to be true. And means both has to be true for the result to be true. And OR means either one of them has to be true for the result to be true. And here, B and A, well, this will be false because true and false is false. But now, since A is already false, A is no longer true and result is false or false. So B will be false too. And there's not, so say print line. And not is just one single thing, not A, not A and B. And not comes before and comes before OR. Okay, so not A is false, so not false is true. And, well, it's A and B. So, well, A is false, B is false. No, not comes before that. So, not A is true. True and false is false. So, and let's show you that and comes before. So, have no, both A and B are false. So, A or true and true. That won't work. So, to show that. Or comes not and comes before. So, A and true. So this will be false and or false. So now if or came before, actually this wouldn't work. So say A or true and true. So if or came first, then this will be true, true and true, true. True. Never mind. Anyways, all you need to know that all you need to know is that I messed up here, but all you need to know is that and comes before or. Now let's go on to okay, let me just tell you this. Equals is equals and greater than or equals, there's less than or equals and there's greater than or equals, less than or equals, and is not equals. And one single equals assignment, and assignment always comes after everything. So say P equals false or true and false or not false, and 3 is greater than equal to 2 or 2 is for true. And we can see order of operations. Okay, this actually comes first. So this is true, false, and true and false is false, 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 or false, or true is true. And yeah. Oh, actually, this isn't even getting printed out. Just realized that. Out the print line. True. Forgot about that. Not true. Not that, but do this. And here is suddenly dead code because anything or true is true. So let's just do and true. So, and it's true because, well, this is true, this is true, this is false, but this is false. No, this is true, this is true. So true and true is true, true and true is true, true and false is false, false, or true is true. If that makes sense to you, let's think it through. And that's about it, except for string operators. Let's say string C equals hello, and string D equals bye. Out the print line C plus D. And let's do out the print line D plus C. And here order matters, and I'll show you why. Should be clear. First one first, and they get combined. Makes sense. Now there's unary operators. Int E equals 1, int F equals 2. Let's just say out the print line E plus plus, and out the print line minus minus F. So e plus plus is, now let's actually oh no comment. Just see what happens. So now here e plus plus, what it actually does is add 1 to e. So if you want to do, and this actually comes for all operators, and if you put plus plus at the end, then it will take the value before you add it. You put it in the beginning, it will take it the value after you add it, and vice versa with minus is just -1, and this comes to for all operators. Let's show you. E plus plus times 4 plus 3, and I think you see why it makes sense. So times 4 and plus 3. So now that's 11 because e is 2 now. 3 times 4 plus. No. E is 2. So e plus plus 3, but since it's after, it takes the value before you add it to 1. So it's 2 times 4 plus 3, which is 11. And I'll show you one more thing. You can actually put assignment statements in like this. E equals e plus 1. And this is all the short way of saying this. We also have we're gonna do f. We're gonna do f now. F plus equals 2. So plus equals is same as saying equals f plus equals 2 is same as saying f equals f plus 2. It's just a short way of writing it. And if you have e equals e plus 1, you can shorten it to e plus equals 1, but you can also use e plus plus. And this makes sense because 4 plus, well, f is 1 here. So, and plus 2 is 3. Now, final thing, brackets. If you had brackets, well, that'll be a different story. So, 2 plus 3 times 6. And actually, I forgot to put the brackets. It's 2 plus 2 times 2. And that would be 6. Let's say plus 2 times 3. So this will be 6 times 6, or 6 plus 6, which is 12. And this makes sense because, yeah, it does this first. Otherwise, without brackets, we'll just do 2 times 2, 2 times 3. And then, well, the example I did here was bad. But, say that times 2 times 3. So this will be 36. Without the brackets, just have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 24 plus 2, 26. No, brackets make a difference. And that's about it. We're gonna get to work with more variables soon. Hope you enjoyed, and bye for now.